How to charge glow in the dark elements? Method number 1. Well, you can do nothing, and they will be charged as well. Glow in the dark elements accumulate the daylight, both natural and artificial. Method number 2. Use normal or UV flashlight. It's the fastest way to reach the brightest glowing. It is enough to shine a flashlight on the certain element for only 1 second. Method number 3. Any light source will be good. The brighter the source, the better the glowing effect. Just be careful, as some light sources can be hot